Hi, I'm Jeff van der Zandt. I make silly videos on the internet. Welcome to What's for Dinner. A quick chicken. Why can't I get this right? Today we're cooking a quick chicken and noodle salad. 5 simple ingredients: some breast fillets, Thai spice blend, mango, lime and chili dressing, coleslaw and some vermicelli noodles. Step 1, cut the chicken. This is a sharp knife. How's that? That looks pretty good. Don't cut your fingers off. Here's a mixing bowl that we prepared earlier. So chuck it in your bowl. If you could hear that, some ASMR slop just there. And then grab your Thai spice, about a tablespoon. Whack some of that in, and then you just mix it all around. Get it coated in that Thai spice blend. I reckon it needs a little bit more, so I'm just gonna chuck a little bit more in. Why not, right? Just wing it. And then I have to check my recipe card. Now we're gonna cook this chicken, because you can't eat it raw. You want it on like a medium to hot heat, not too hot, not too cold. All you need is a light jacket. So we're gonna spray some olive oil on it, just a little light spray to get it covered. Then we'll just chuck half of this chicken on there. I'm gonna get in trouble. They said half the chicken, and this is way more than half the chicken. But this is how I cook. Can you smell that? Yeah, see, that's kind of what you want. That kind of delicious, juicy chicken crust. What do you do to kill the time when your chicken's cooking? I feel like I sing show tunes. I shouldn't have said that. As soon as it was coming out of my mouth, I was like, flipping the chicken, what's for dinner? Oh my God, please don't use it. It's so awful. I'm sweating. I think the chicken's pretty good. I'm gonna chuck it in this little pan. This isn't a pan, this is a, what's this? A dish? Dish. You're a dish. Delicious. Done. Now our chicken's cooked, we're going to move on to the noodles. You can leave your stove on. So we've got a saucepan here full of water. We're just letting it boil. And I'm going to go grab my noodles in my little grocery shop back here.
Be careful.
You be careful, I have to do everything. So we're going to use 3 nests. Just whack them in. Watch me not know how to use chopsticks. I also feel like being left-handed, I do things weird. So don't judge me if I don't know how to use chopsticks. We're gonna go drain these noodles and then give them a little shower in some cold water to refresh them. We're back with our noodles after they've been refreshed. So we're gonna chuck them in this bowl. Now it's just whacking it together. We've got 2 bags of coleslaw here. See, this is easy. This is just mixing. This is barely cooking. Fun fact about this coleslaw, these bags in particular, which I learned today, is you can return them to the store and Coles will recycle them for you. Love a bit of recycling. We've got some mango, lime and chili dressing, just about 1/3 of a cup. And we're just gonna douse this salad in that. Making a mess. Oh, that was good. Nice. So don't do that. We're just mixing this coleslaw in with the vermicelli noodles, just to mix all of the dressing in there. It's getting better now that I've thrown half the salad out of the bowl. So this recipe serves 4, but it's just you and I today, so we're gonna plate up 2 bowls. So it looks really graceful. They said just a normal amount in a bowl. There we go. That's probably one if you're really hungry. There's a lot left over, so you can save that, keep the chicken separate from the salad, save that for another day. On my messy table, so just gonna place a couple of bits of chicken on each. Oh, that's nice. And then just to finish it all off, we'll just chuck a little zhuzh of extra dressing. Oh, look at that. No one likes a dry salad. And then we'll just finish with some pepper. Now for the all-important taste test. It's so weird being filmed eating, but that's really good. That's a really easy meal to cook. And it looks and smells delicious.